Okay, so you need to remove this. Remove the front bumper. Me, I did that so I can have enough space. I showed you and check out my other videos. I show you to remove the front end. Okay, so just check out my other videos. Remove the battery. I just removed the plastic cover under the battery. Now you have your transmission lines, cooling system, and we're gonna work around so we can free up the engine. The transmission. So follow this series, new series, transmission removal, 4x4 Ford Fusion, same as Ford Escape, 2013 to 2019. The starter. Now you got more space, so you can look at the bolts for the starter. After we remove those two bolts, the starter will be free, so we can remove it from the wires. One here, one there. You gotta loosen everything to remove the subframe. Both sides. I remove the front, be more easy. You remove right here. You got both sides. You gotta loosen it. And put a jack underneath. You can see. Okay, I removed the bolt for the subframe. Now you can see the subframe is free. And don't forget to remove the bolt right here at support, transmission support, engine support. So now you can go slowly and see. Okay, now the subframe is going slowly. Everything here, we're gonna slide it up on the other side, and we're gonna, don't forget there's some connectors on the power steering you gotta remove. After that, the subframe is free. Put a little clamp here so I can hold my my brake fluid, and now I'm free from the ABS. Free from the ABS. I'm free from my brake. So now I got the complete assembly moving. Okay, so you gotta remove those two bolts here on both sides. So this muffler support may be disconnected for the subframe. So now you got the subframe free. There's the wire for the power steering. There just need to be loose and disconnected, and you'll be able to move the subframe out of your sight. Like and subscribe. Okay, so you gotta remove the wiring. So this plug and the big one over here. So, and disconnect. There's only one wire, it's not a big deal. So yeah, so only one wire. So now you see it loose all the way here. Disconnected on the other side also. Let me show you. This one, this is this wire. So now it's free completely. You can just let it hanging and be able to remove the complete subframe. So this is the setup. You can remove the subframe with the power steering. That was very easy. It's not a big deal. Seriously, if you follow what I told you with the wire that you need to disconnect, it's only one wire. Everything would fall off, and that's for the 4x4. The same thing for front wheel drive if you need to, but since I gotta remove the transmission, this is the way to remove the subframe, because it's more easy to do the job like this. Like and subscribe. Yeah, so you can drag it, and you'll be able to remove it. Very easy to do. Basically, you got 4 big bolts. And in back of the two, there's 13 bolts. This side, and after that, you remove this suspension right here, tie rod, axle, both sides. You remove right here this bolt, right here this one. You disconnect from inside. You do that on both sides, and easy to remove. So right now we're gonna have more access to go and remove this transmission, and I'm gonna show you every step of the way so you can follow and do it like I do. Style Auto. Like and subscribe. I work hard for you guys.